Hi everyone, it's Emmanuel from Gravite and welcome back again for this new video where I'm going to show you how to do a segmented analysis of your user pain points. So for example, I'm going to show you how to do an analysis of all the pain points for the mid-market clients. Doing this type of analysis will help you to really dig into your customer pain points on a specific segment. So to explore what kind of topics affect the most the satisfaction, and then to really dig into the pain points for a specific category of users. So in order to do that, you need to first create your segment into Gravite. So you need to go into the user section, click on one of your users, and you will see all the attributes that are affected to this specific users. So once you create one segment, if you can select the type of segment that you want to create, is it text, a select, a multi-select, date or URL. And once you created a segment for one specific user, it will create it for all of the users. All right. So now, in my example, I have created the segment persona. It's a select type of attribute where I can select either or not it's a key account or a mid-market client. Now, you're not going to manually fill this attribute for every customer that you have. So it is possible to import this data through the import section. So in order to import your user's data, you need to have your CSV file ready to be imported. So your file might be coming from your CRM, from Intercom, or from whatever source you might have. If you want to add a specific attribute, like for example in the persona, you need to add this column into your CSV file and format it exactly the same way that you format it into Gravite. So for example, here, the persona is a select type of field with two options, mid-market and key account. So in your CSV file, you need to retrieve this exact same two options, key account and mid-market. You don't really need to worry about the formatting of the name of the fields of each column because you're going to be able to map it directly inside Gravite. So now you have your CSV file ready. You can directly import it through this button right here. You can click on upload just right here and select the file that you want to import. So in my case, this is this one. Here, you will have the preview of your data, and you can find the persona attributes that we just created before. So now you can map all of the columns with the appropriate fields into Gravite. And don't forget to select the persona attributes that you just created and to map it with the persona attribute that you have in Gravite in order to retrieve this data properly. Now you're ready. Once you mapped all the fields, you can click on Validate. Just important thing, you really need to map this email attribute because this is the ID of the client. So we will be able to reconcile user data from different sources using this email. Now that you have all of your user data directly inside Gravite, you will be able to launch analysis on a specific user segment. So for example, here, you will be able to create an analysis on a specific persona, for example, key account or mid-market, in order to have a really targeted analysis for a specific category of users. So now you're ready to deep dive into your client's pain points and to really understand what kind of friction or pain point create dissatisfaction on your product. So I hope this video helped you to better understand how to use user data inside Gravite and how to import your own user data. If you have still any question, feel free to reach us by email at emmanuel@gravite.io or through our intercom chat on our landing page. Bye-bye, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.